Most people want a direct sale because they don't understand the power of a good lead. Let's talk about it. In short, a lead is someone who shows interest in what you do, who you are, and what you offer. And if you need more info on this, go check out my blog. I talk about lead generation. I believe it's hermessybun.com/what is a lead. The reason why people want direct sales is because they believe that it's easier, that it's less work, that they'll make more money that way, or because to them it feels like passive income. But I hate to break it to you, for the most part, that's a myth in our industry that no one talks about, and it's the biggest myth. Let me explain. When somebody purchases from you from a social media platform, most likely you have shown up on that person's social media around 7 different times without them knowing or realizing it, or without you knowing at all. And in order to do that, you would have needed to make up to 7 different pieces of content specific to them about the specific product that they purchased, sharing benefits, sharing testimonials, how it works, etc., etc., etc. And in order, you have to make all of this content in order for them to pull the trigger and buy from you. And you have to, and the algorithm would have to have had shown this specific person those 7 pieces of content. This is what I call a silent lead. And usually silent leads take so much longer to purchase from you because the algorithm isn't always showing you you're showing them your stuff. They aren't commenting, asking the questions that they have about your product. They are taking screenshots of your stuff only to forget about it immediately afterwards. And honestly, been there, done that. The list of reasons why people stay silent leads is endless, but all of this is happening without you even knowing it or knowing who these people are. Whereas a lead, whether it's a warm lead or a hot lead, because we don't deal with cold leads, they're actively showing you that they're interested in you, and they're actively showing you that they want to be a part of your community. And now you have the opportunity to find out how you can help them, what's holding them back, what their reservations are, and actually be there for them, which is amazing and gives you the opportunity to genuinely make a connection with them and take them on the journey of brand awareness the brand awareness journey of your business. Realistically, the way the algorithm works, you probably would have to make 3 times the amount of content of those 7 pieces of content, which is a lot more work than understanding how to create a solid lead or learning how to automate your business to turn viewers into followers and followers into paying clients, which is just a small part of what I help my clients in my Burnout to Breakthrough program do. And that program's actually opening up this January. However, I'm going to share with you how to get leads that actually convert this holiday season or whenever you're listening or reading this. So here are my 3 favorite strategies to get leads that I have tested and used myself, and also teach my clients and that work for them as well. So grab your journal, throw your hair up into your favorite messy bun, and let's get to work. The first strategy I want to teach you is utilizing stories on Instagram to generate a warm lead. I'm sure that you've heard people talk about the saying of like selling your DMs, which can honestly sound so cringy, feel like a cold call, or like you're soliciting to people who have literally never talked to you before, which frankly is exactly how I feel too. Hence why I never teach this concept, because while it works for others, I value giving people the space that they didn't need to ask for. And I also value creating real connections with people. Insert Instagram stories. Stories are my absolute favorite way with connecting with my audience. And frankly, I feel like it's one of the most underutilized tools on social media for creating a chat to sell lead. So how do we do this? Again, I go into extreme detail with my clients in Burnout to Breakthrough program, and where we actually create personalized strategies for them. But I am going to share some big secrets with you right now. When you are creating your daily stories, there is a strategy that needs to go along with it in order to connect with your audience. Whether you realize it or not, it's the truth. And frankly, some people have a natural gift at this, and that might be you. So you might actually be listening to this and thinking, wait, I already do that. And if it's not you, that's totally okay. We're going to make it you. When you're creating stories or any content, you need to think about what your audience needs to hear, what your audience is going through, and most importantly, what your future clients are feeling. From there, you are going to create a story with a question that is specific to what you do and add a poll that gives your audience the answers to that question. This makes it easier for them to want to vote. And also, if they feel seen or relatable, if the answers are relatable enough, they will actually be excited to vote. Now, that one's the biggest part. We want them to feel excited. We want them to feel seen when they're voting. So, if you're not familiar with your questions, I want you to do a reverse engineer solution to whoa, tongue tied. I want you to reverse engineer the solutions to that you provide for your audience. So, for example, let's say my goal is to get more people to buy my low cost guided Notion templates that help you organize your business, work around your energy, and keep track of all your ideas, projects, and to dos. So, this is what I'm trying to sell, and this is the solution. A question that I could ask my audience is, what is something you wish you could change about how you work? And the poll responses could be option A, work less hours and get more done, or option B, find a better way to organize my days. Both of these are options that I have the solution for, that I've already told you I have the solution for. And if someone needs or wants that solution, they will vote in that poll. As people vote, I know who I can actually start conversations with. Let me repeat that. As people vote, I know who I can start the conversations with. It's not who's watching the story, it's who's actually voting in your stories. Again, the goal isn't to create a direct sale, it's to create a warm lead. So when we reach out, we want to start a conversation that's natural. So let's say you saw my story and you voted option A, work less hours. I would see that and message you something like, hey, thanks so much for voting in my poll. I saw you voted that you wished you could work less hours and get more done. How many hours a week are you actually working right now? That is a genuine question I have for people when they're telling me that they're wishing they could work less hours. And this is a great way to get to know your audience, make real connections, and get leads for your services and products. It's also my favorite way to start conversations because, well, it might not seem like it or look like it. I am extremely awkward when it comes to creating online connections. And this strategy has helped me start a conversation that is both beneficial and genuine. And honest, I'm not kidding you when I say that majority of my current friends from social media are because of this solution. And those friends, those clients, whoever they might be, I still have great communication with them purely because they voted in my stories and I decided to take it a step further and create the conversation with them. The second strategy that I want to teach you is creating a bomb ass lead magnet that aligns with your offer. So, you know, those freebies that we see on that businesses offer you online, whether it's on their website and social media, Pinterest, whatever it might be. If you've been wondering why the hell somebody is offering something so valuable for free, it's because the power of a valuable lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free but valuable offer that, when done right, takes your audience further along their brand awareness journey and connects you to people who need or want what you offer. It's when somebody signs up for your email list in exchange for the free gift that you're offering. Again, something that I help my clients do extensively in the Burnout to Breakthrough program, but I'm actually going to share some secrets right now with you too. So yay for you for hanging out this long. One of the biggest mistakes I see business owners do is create a freebie that doesn't actually connect with what your business has to offer. So for instance, let's say you are a relationship coach, but you offer a calendar as a freebie. Well, unless that calendar is about making dates for the relationships that you're in, that calendar justifies no reason why somebody should actually continue working with you or go on the process of this brand awareness journey. However, if they made it so that it was a dating calendar as a freebie, then people would be like, wow, this dating calendar worked for me. What else does she have? And as those emails continue to come in, I'm going to want to read those emails and see what else you have to offer. So for instance, I have a brand strategy goodie bag that's filled with 5 Notion templates to help you develop your brand strategy, resources to help you start your email list, automate your social media, and actually grow your business. I also offer 75 quotes for entrepreneurs to inspire you, and even to use on your social media, because who doesn't love a good quote in social media posts? It's like one of the easiest things we can do on social media, but that's for a different podcast. Next, we have 25 journal prompts that get you started in morning pages, something I do every single day with my members. So you don't need a freebie that's this jam-packed, but I wanted to create something that gives you a little flavor of all of the different aspects of my business. And I also wanted to only worry about one major freebie to talk about that can connect you and connect me to people that want a little bit of everything, you know? So I sell mini courses and templates for entrepreneurs to start and grow your business, specifically guided Notion templates to organize your business, Canva templates to help you stay true to your brand identity, and courses that teach you exactly how to develop a brand strategy. I also have my Burnout to Breakthrough program that helps you readjust your brand and content strategy and streamline your system so that you can work less while improving your client experience. And then I also have my Her Messy Bun community, Consciously Creative, which is where I host my daily morning pages and group coaching calls. So my brand strategy goodie bag welcomes you into every aspect of what I do for you while providing juicy value that actually helps you. And here's what you need to know about lead magnets. They are the welcome mat to your business. And when somebody signs up for your freebie, they are like, imagine somebody ringing your doorbell and seeing if they found the right house or the right house of where they're supposed to be hanging out. The mistake people make is not creating a welcome series that connects and continues to introduce your business to the person that just signed up for your freebie. So again, imagine wanting to make connections and grow your business or community. And when somebody rings your doorbell, you give them a gift and then are like, okay, bye, and walk away, hoping that they return to hang out and leaving it up to them. Now imagine that same scenario, but instead you say, come on in, I've got coffee ready and waiting, and then proceed to welcome them in, give them the grand tour, and actually start hanging out with them. When somebody signs up for your email list, they deserve that grand tour. They deserve a welcome series, the tea, the come have coffee chat with me. Your email list is the foundation of your business. And so it's important to be a good host and take care of your guests. And now, what does this look like? It's creating an automated welcome series that is triggered whenever somebody signs up for your email list. Included in this welcome series are things like special welcome offers, like a discount or special bundle package that's only available for signing up for your email list, introducing yourself, who you are, your journey, your story, and also sharing extra value related to the freebie that you provided, and really walking them through how and why your business is beneficial to them and what to expect from your email list. If you've never even started your email list before and need help on how this works, but don't want to wait until my program opens up, go ahead and check out my email marketing mini course, where you will get my exact blueprint for creating an email list that converts followers into subscribers and subscribers into paying clients. And finally, the third strategy I want to share is perfecting your call to actions, or also known as CTAs, to start the conversation. I can't tell you how many clients I've had that didn't know the power of a really strong call to action. My client Molly came to me with over 500,000 followers on TikTok and wanted help utilizing her social media to help her grow her online business and get more sales. She wasn't seeing the conversion from following to paying customers like you think that you would see or would happen naturally when your social media is booming like hers was, which is proof that even if you have a large following, if you don't know how to utilize your platform, your business won't grow just because your following is. So just from perfecting her CTAs on her social media, she was able to create a strategy that didn't just direct her viewers to follow her, but it also got her followers to purchase from her and work with her one-on-one, or even in group settings. So after working with me on creating personalized lead generating strategies like the ones that I mentioned today, Molly was able to see the income that launched her business into replacing her corporate salary and allowed her to quit her job to run her business full time. Having a clear and easy call to action for your business makes it that much easier for people who are scrolling social media to know what to expect, what you expect them to do. Because at the end of the day, people are on social media to be social, to find entertainment, and to learn about their hobbies. They want the information, the entertainment right there, right then. So we need to make it absolutely clear what the next steps are. And I'm not talking about liking or following. I'm talking about starting the conversation to get people to comment, to get people to answer your questions, or to tell them for them to tell you their opinions, or for them to ask you a question about the topic you're talking about. When you start the conversation and get people talking in the comment section, you're starting a conversation that can grow into hot leads. And the call to action doesn't always have to be at the end of the video or at the end of the caption, especially when you're trying to spark conversation in the comments, because again, we're trying to start conversation and leads, not direct sales. So things like, who else, ... or let me know if you blah, 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 or am I the only one who, are great ways to start the conversation. And then at the end of the video or at the end of the caption, you can remind them of what they're supposed to do by saying things like, let me know in the comments, raise your hand if this is you too, comment yes if this is also you. Or if you are asking if people want to work with you or want help with this specific thing, you can just be extremely direct by saying comment yes. There are all types of call to actions like CTAs for buttons, for emails, for social posts, for on-screen videos, for orders, to learn more, to book with you, etc., etc. And the thing literally, I've never seen anybody talk about this, is that call to actions have the ability to attract new clients, but they also have the ability to repel potential leads. And right now, I'm offering a free gift with purchase of 50 hooks to get your audience's attention and 50 call to actions to get them to buy from you. This was part of my Black Friday deal that I am now extending until the end of the year. So surprise and happy holidays. Anyways, these are my 3 top strategies for creating leads that you can actually implement in your business starting today. And remember, genuine conversations and connection will help you find your dream clients and customers, and will help you create repeat customers and even get your clientele to brag about you on their social media. And what does this mean? It means your business has longevity to it and it's more sustainable versus hoping that the social media algorithm is working in your benefit. So anyways, if you're looking for more help, go ahead and check out episode 34, Foolproof Tips to Grow Your Email List. Or if you're ready to take it beyond the podcast, check out my mini courses like email marketing course or my ideal mini course that will help you find your target audience and grow your email list and turn your target audience into buying customers. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.